I'm going to show you what I had here, Charlie. This is the setup I've got down in the basement. And this is a grow light and a plastic bed with some what are called greenhouse seed pellets in it. And this is just a regular seed growing pad. So what I bought is I bought a plastic tray that has these seed pellets in it. And the pellets come this way. They come as a little dehydrated brick. And then when you put water in them, they swell up. And you can see the difference in the size of them. And the advantage to them is they're sterile, because one of the problems with seedlings is they get a disease called damping off disease, which actually is a variety of different diseases, most of which are fungi that get into the vasculature of the stem and plug it up, and then the seedlings can't get enough water and they look like they die from dehydration. So I have the seed tray and I have the pellets, and then I planted these seeds in the hydrated pellets about a week ago. And one of the other things I have under here that I hope you can see right here is a heating pad. And the heating pad just heats it up about 5 or 10 degrees. So if I use the infrared thermometer, which you really can't read it too well on here, I'm going to shine it over on this one, and it's registering about 70.1 degrees. And the seedlings themselves, I don't know if you can see, they're about 68.3. So here, on the one that's not heated, the base of it's about 70 degrees. Whereas if you go over here and look at the one that has a heating pad on it, it's about 78.9, and the pellets themselves are around 71, and then if you look down in it, they're about 78 down at the bottom. So at the top they're about 71, 72 degrees, and then down at the bottom they're about 80 degrees. So that what happens is this heating pad down here heats the bottom of the tray up, which heats the bottom of the seed pellet up, so that it enhances germination in here. And what these are tomatillos. And what I bought for you to bring down to Dallas is another seed tray with the dehydrated pellets in it. And what I was hoping we could plant were some marigolds and some basil. I was going to bring some cilantro, but I don't think your dad likes cilantro. I thought we'd plant these and see if we couldn't get these. I was going to bring my heating pad with it, see if we couldn't get them up and growing, and then plant them out in your garden. And the basil your mother can use to cook with, and your dad can use to cook with, and the marigolds you can put in your garden, and they keep bugs away. So what you have here is a seedling, and the roots grow down into the pellet, and then you have the stem of the seedling, and then you have the two what are called seed leaves, and the scientific word for seed leaves is cotyledons. And then all of the food in this seedling is stored up in these seed leaves, or cotyledons. And then when the true leaves come out above that, when you get two sets of two leaves up above that, then you take this pellet and you go out and put it in your garden and plant it and see how it goes. So I bought some marigolds and some basil, and we'll see if we can get these to grow while I'm there in June.